Hello everyone, we're back once again. Today we're going to be making a delicious tzatziki sauce, so come along. First we're going to start off by peeling and grating half a cucumber. We're then going to allow all of the grated cucumber to release its water and we're going to drain and pat dry. Once our grated cucumber is nice and dry, we're going to place that in a bowl and we're going to add 2 cups of full fat Greek yogurt. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. If you don't have any, then you could also use dark. We're now going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to freshly grate 3 cloves of garlic. We are then going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And finally, a tablespoon of dill weed. We're going to mix everything well and we're going to give it a final taste test, making sure if we need a little bit more salt or maybe a little bit more dill weed, this is the time to incorporate it. And we're going to finish off by refrigerating this overnight. And voila, we have our delicious tzatziki sauce. We could have this with pita bread, we could have this with kebabs, or even souvlaki's and gyros. Whichever way, it is divine. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also go check out our Instagram at san.pal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye!